These are the best PCs for Bitcoin mining in 2021. Welcome to PC Guide. Number 3. Antminer S19 Pro. If you're looking for the most powerful Bitcoin mining rig money can buy, look no further than the Antminer S19 Pro. With a power consumption of 3250 watts, your electricity bill is sure to go up accordingly, but the sheer efficiency of scale within this tower will eclipse those expenses in no time. If the reviews on Amazon and general discourse across other sites is anything to go by, you can generate yourself a full-time wage at the push of a button, and they say money doesn't grow on trees. Number 2. SOONTECH cryptocurrency coin, Ethereum and Bitcoin mining rig. For the low price of $1,000, you can get your hands on the SOONTECH cryptocurrency coin, Ethereum Bitcoin mining rig frame, still within the realm of professional or at least semi-pro mining hardware, depending on which GPUs you plan to install on it. The GPU thickness should not exceed 60mm per slot, making 3090s a tight fit, but 3080s should be no problem, meaning you could put a potential 60GB of GDDR6 into this little box that comes with a motherboard, Intel CPU with CPU cooler, 128GB SSD, 4GB of RAM, a case fan, all necessary cables and screws, plus Windows 10 pre-installed. And number 1. Alienware Aurora R11. Keep in mind that niche mining rig companies are not your only option. You can of course use GPU-heavy consumer desktop PCs with mainstream operating systems like Windows 2. The Alienware Aurora comes outfitted with up to an overclockable 10th gen Intel Core processor or AMD Ryzen 9 3950X, up to a liquid-cooled 3080 Ti, up to 32GB of DDR4 RAM, and 2TB of SSD storage, and of course plenty of power. All ideal specs for mining and gaming coincidentally, making it a much easier choice to invest in if you're less committed to mining as an individual goal. If you have any questions or recommendations, please drop those in the comments, and if this video helped you, remember to hit like and subscribe so maybe I can help you again sometime soon. And thanks for watching PC Guide.